Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel.
Starting today, we are bringing a top 5 series starting with Texas.
Let's dive in into the top 5 places that you need to visit in Dallas, Texas.
Number 1 on the list is the Dallas Arboretum. This is an absolutely beautiful place to see, packed with flowers and lots of trees.
The Dallas Arboretum is a perfect family outing for picnics and photo shoots. If you are in Dallas, Texas, come by and see the Dallas Arboretum.
The next one on the list is the White Rock Lake. While you are at the Dallas Arboretum, stop by the White Rock Lake that is right next to the Dallas Arboretum.
White Rock Lake is a really cool place to go biking, walking, running, or just hang out by the lake and feed the ducks.
Third one that you must see is the Nasher Sculpture Center and a Garden in Dallas. Nasher Sculpture Center and Garden is located in the Dallas Arts District close to Dallas downtown.
It is a free museum with lots of exhibits to see inside and outside the center. You can spend an entire day here among the beautiful sculptures and relax in the garden.
While you are in the Nasher Sculpture Center, you don't want to miss the Perro Museum in Dallas, which takes us to number 4 on the list.
The Perro Museum of Nature and Science in Dallas is a must-see with lots of science and nature exhibits that are interactive and of course a huge dinosaur collection.
And last but not least is the Clyde Warren Park in Dallas. This is a large 5.2-acre park that offers free activities daily and lots of play areas for kids.
A new development that started at the Clyde Warren Park is the world's largest, tallest interactive fountain that's a must-see, especially if you're in Dallas.
We hope you enjoyed this top 5 series in Dallas and find it useful to use in your own travel adventures.
Feel free to share your comments and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, have an offbeat journey with us.